If your Motorola phone rings when someone calls you, but you don't see the caller's name or number and there is no answer button available on the screen, then this can be really frustrating. Especially you only see the missed call pop-up right here. Now to fix this, just open app drawer on your Motorola smartphone, then press and hold the phone app icon and click on this I button. Now click on force stop option and click on OK option when prompted. After that, find a storage and cache option and click on it. Within this section, first tap on clear cache and then click on clear storage. Now click on delete option when the confirmation pop-up appears. Once you have done this, just restart your Motorola phone and after restarting, check if incoming calls are showing normally. Also, if the problem mainly happens when your phone is locked, then press and hold the phone app icon again and click on I button or app info option. Within this page, find notification option and click on it. Here, find allow full screen notification option and all the related notification settings and turn on all the notification settings. Once this option is enabled, incoming calls should be able to appear as a full screen call interface on your lock screen with the caller information and the answer button. So that's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.